wonderful video today. I want to show you guys how you can trade on Binance Futures. So this is my future account, and on a challenge to grow a $20 account to a $200 account. I've done that before. I showed you guys on YouTube. I want to do it again. So this account used to be $20. Right now it's at $42. So when it gets to $20, I'm going to make another video, but that's not what I'm here to talk about. I'm here to tell you guys how you can trade BNB USD. Sorry, I'm here to tell you guys how you can trade Binance Futures. All right, so you can see below, you can see on Binance you have all markets, trades, futures, and wallets. Just click on futures, it presents you this stuff, right? So now you can see I have on USDM above, check above the top left corner, you will see I'm on USDM. All right, so that USDM is trying to tell you I'm trading anything I have against USDT. All right, so you can see BNB USDT. That's what I'm trading. If you click on BNB USDT, you can see so many pairs right here, all of them ending in USDT. That's what I'm trading against. All right, so I'm just going to go back, and now if I click on coin M, now I'm trading with anything that concerns BTC. You can see my available balance very close to where it says buy. You can see my available balance is 0 BTC because I don't have any BTC in this particular wallet. So now there are options and there are battles. I don't want to talk about those on the video, so make sure it's on USDM. So now to do this, make sure you deposit USDT and transfer your USDT to your USDM account. That's where you can trade. All right, so you just transfer from one wallet to another. All right, so now this is it. Let's go below. Now, like I said before, you can click on BNB USDT and you can search for any pairs. This is Binance, so it's already on perpetual already. So that means you can make money if you're buying, and you can make money when you're selling, not like sports trading where you make money when it's only going up. So but this way you need to understand your risk management and all that, signals and all that. If you want signals, I can give you guys signals. Yeah, if you want challenge signals where you can grow your account from a particular, maybe $20 to $200 challenge, stuff like that. So but let me not talk about those ones. Make sure you click in the go to the description and you can see link to my Telegram channel and also my WhatsApp number, then you can DM me. All right, so now below that you can, let me cancel this one. Now below that you can see isolated. Now you can put this on isolated and you can put this on cross. All right, so the best way I can explain isolated and cross for you is that isolated is like a fine handwriting, while cross is like a very rough handwriting. So but it doesn't really mean isolated or cross, just put it anywhere. I'm explaining the best way I can explain to a newbie. I don't want to explain with big words that will keep you confused. Now I love 20x. So 20x is your leverage. It's where you are putting it. It's how much you are willing to waive a particular trade, how much you're willing to carry a particular trade. I love to put it at 20x. Of recent, Binance remove 100x because that's too much, and that's because of regulators. Now you can see buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell. All right, now you can put this on market. Market means market execution. In forex or MT4, it's called market execution. So that means whatever the price is at the moment, I can just place a market price, a buy or sell, and it opens immediately. But if I'm going for a pending order, which some call it limits, Binance call it limit, most of this stuff call it limit. So that means you're going to put the price at which you want. When it gets to that price, you want market to sell or not. So you can do 340. If price gets to, if Bitcoin gets to 340, then okay, this is BNB. So if BNB gets to 340, it may sell or it will buy. Then price will kick up automatically, even though you are online or offline. So but I love to use market order, so I'm just going to put it on market order. So now what comes next is this. All right, so your percentage, that's like how much lot size, how much you're willing to do. So if I'm going for 100%, you can see 100%. That means I'm using 100% of $42 to trade. So that means I'll lose more and I'll make more money. If I go 50%, I'm using 50% of $42, which is around 21% to trade, and the many other 21% will just be there in my account waiting. Maybe I can place another trade, I just want to reserve it there. So now you can see reduce only and stop TP and slash SL. So your TP, in case you don't know, is take profit point. So that's the particular point where you put the price. If you want, when price gets to that place, it closes you in profit. And also SL closes you when price is going against you. And there's ways you can manipulate this and you can make more money for yourself. So you can put the stop loss price where it says stop loss and put the TP price where it says TP, and then you can click on sell short. So just going to make a quick analysis, and let's see if we can make a few just a clean nice video trade for you guys right now. So I'm going to put my stop loss around here. This is Bitcoin. I'm going to put my stop loss around 48,350. all right, so you can see isolated, right, 20x. You can see that I'm on sell, so I want to sell, market order, and now I'm just going to put like 75%, and I'm going to put 48,350, right, 48,350. So anything lower than 48,350, it's going to close me, and I'll save myself from more losses. So what's my TP area? I'm going to put TP at, let's say 47,200. So if you get to that area, 47,200. So if it gets to that area, it's going to close me in profit. I'm going to click on sell short. Okay, it says okay, 47,200. Click on that. Okay guys, I think something is wrong somewhere. I'm just going to leave the TP and click on sell short. You can see goes straight up and says successful. Now you can see the trade is running. Now why trade is running, very important. You can see we're on positions. Click on open orders and cancel. Now on open orders, it has opened a buy order for us. That means there's a buy pending. Immediately this sell is over, it's going to kick up a buy at that particular price. So but you can see the mark conditions, marked price at that particular price. That's what's going to kick us open, but we don't want that. So therefore we are just going to cancel it and open positions only, and we wait for profit. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.